Hey guys, it's Flip, and today I'm going to do a quick video on how to get a blower wheel off an electric motor. I've got a bathroom exhaust fan that's rattling because the blower wheel is warped and it's hitting the side of the housing. So I'm going to do a video over this whole project very soon, but today I just wanted to do a little quick video about how to get this actual blower wheel off of the motor. You can replace the motor and the wheel obviously, but if you want to replace just the wheel, you have to get it off of the motor and they can be pretty stuck. So you can wrench away with your hands all you want like this and you're probably not going to get it off, but here's how I did it. So what you want to do is take a few 2x4s and hang the assembly from it with all the weight being supported by the actual wheel. Then you can use an old machine screw or bolt you have laying around and use it as a punch. Put it on the end of that motor shaft and give it a tap and it should come right out. Now you've got the wheel off of the motor if you want to just replace one of these parts and you don't want to have to buy both. Hopefully this video helped you out. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.